Your pellet grill hits temp, but the smoke stays thin. Here's the $2 fix nobody uses. Start with the sausage. Cooking string. The knots are not professional. They work. Size each piece to your palm. Same size, same cook. Keep them tied together. Easier to move, easier to share at the table. Light the Traeger Pro 575. Hopper gets the Traeger pellet blend. Set the grill to 100 degrees. That is the smoke window. Low heat, more smoke on the links. Hold steady at 100 before the meat goes on. Quick one, tube or smoke box on your pellet grill, drop it below. For better smoke you have two tools, a box or a smoker tube. Fuel is also a choice, wood chips or pellets. On a pellet barbecue, the tube with pellets wins. Pellets light clean. A kitchen torch is enough. Watch. Applewood pellets in the tube. Torch until it catches. Hopper blend stays in the grill. Tube runs apple. 2 woods, 1 cook. That is how you build a smoke blend when the hopper alone runs too clean. I test gear and temps on this balcony every week. Subscribe if you want the next fix, not another recycled cook. Links on, lid down, let the tube work. During the cook, turn the meat. Even smoke on every side. Skip the turn and one face stays pale. I learned that on this cook. Final stretch, raise the barbecue to 125 degrees. Probe the center, target internal, 85 degrees. Hit it, pull. Off the heat. Listen to that. Sfrigolio. Cut. Look how juicy they are. The smoke shows. Nice colored ring. Not perfect. Not uniform. That depends on the turns. Still real smoke. Still better than thin blue and gray links. Smoked sausage. Smoke tube on a pellet grill. Problem fixed. Simply spaziale. Full smoke sausage method is here. Comment your pellet smoke fix. Tube, box, or something else. I read them.